Glycerine, also spelled glycerin or glycerol, is widely used in skincare because of its excellent humectant properties. It attracts water from the environment and deeper skin layers into the outer layer of the skin. Here's how it's commonly used. Benefits of glycerin in skincare. 1. Hydration helps keep skin soft and moisturized by drawing moisture into the skin. 2. Skin barrier support strengthens the skin's natural barrier, helping it resist irritants. 3. Soothing effect reduces dryness and irritation, especially useful in sensitive or inflamed skin. 4. Improves texture regular use can lead to smoother, plumper skin. 5. Non-comedogenic doesn't clog pores, making it suitable for acne-prone skin. How to use glycerin. Diluted with water, pure glycerin can be sticky. It's often best mixed with rose water or applied after dampening your face. In moisturizers, look for glycerin in the ingredient list of creams, serums, and lotions. DIY sprays, mix glycerin with rose water or distilled water in a spray bottle for a hydrating mist. Cautions. Pure glycerin, if used without moisture, like in a very dry climate, it can draw water out of the skin, leading to dryness. Sticky feel, when used in high concentration, it can feel tacky on the skin. Here's a simple DIY glycerin-based skincare recipe that's effective and easy to make. DIY glycerin and rose water face mist. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon pure vegetable glycerin. 3 tablespoons rose water or distilled water. Optional, 1 to 2 drops of essential oil like lavender or tea tree, only if your skin tolerates it well. Instructions. 1. Mix the glycerin and rose water in a small spray bottle. 2. Shake well before each use. 3. Lightly mist on your face after cleansing or anytime your skin feels dry. Shelf life, about 2 to 3 weeks if kept in a cool, dark place. Refrigeration can extend it. DIY glycerin moisturizing serum. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon glycerin. 2 teaspoons aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon distilled water or rose water. Instructions. 1. Mix all ingredients in a small dropper bottle. 2. Apply 2 to 3 drops to damp skin after cleansing. 3. Follow with your usual moisturizer to lock in hydration. Best for dry or combination skin types. Let me know if you want recipes for body lotions or acne-friendly blends.